Hello friends, in this video we will discuss life cycle of Macrandrous species of Oedogonia. So this is plant body of Macrandrous species of Oedogonium. So this plant body, we know that it is a filament. So plant body is filamentous and this plant body is haploid. So this plant body, we know that any cell of this plant body, any cap cell will behave as zoosporangium, and this zoosporangium will form zoospores, multiflagellated zoospores. These zoospores will germinate and will form plant body. So this is asexual reproduction. In Macrandrous species of Oedogonium. So during asexual reproduction, a plant body, any cell of plant body will act as zoosporangium. Any cap cell or any intercalary cell will act as zoosporangium. Inside zoosporangium, zoospore is formed, and zoospore, we know that zoospore is a multiflagellated motile structure. This zoospore will germinate and form plant body again. Now coming to sexual reproduction. This plant body, filamentous plant body, will produce antheridia and oogonia. So from this filament, any cell will form antheridia or it may form oogonia. In case of Macrandrous species, monoecious and dioecious, both type of species are found. If species is monoecious, then both antheridia and archegonia are formed on same filament. If it is dioecious, then antheridia and archegonia are formed on separate filaments. If this species, this plant body is monoecious, then antheridia and oogonia are formed on same filament, on a single filament. If it is dioecious, then there will be different filament for oogonia and different filament for antheridia. Now inside this antheridia, antherozoids are formed. Antherozoids are multiflagellated motile structures. These antherozoids then, and inside this oogonia, egg is formed. These antherozoids then will swim and will reach to the egg, and after fertilization, a zygote will form. Here zygote is 2N structure because it is formed by fusion of egg and antherozoid, or you can also say that sperm. So this zygote then divide by meiosis and forms meiospores. These zoospores then will germinate and form plant body. So this is life cycle of Macrandrous species. This upper part is asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, plant body, any cell of plant body will act as zoosporangium. Any intercalary cell will act as zoosporangium. It will form zoospore, which are motile structure. They will germinate and they will form plant body again. So these all events are haploid. Zoosporangium is haploid, zoospore is haploid, plant body is a haploid. Here, in case of sexual reproduction, this plant body, any cell, any intercalary cell which have cap will form antheridia, and it can also form oogonia. If a species is monoecious, then both are formed inside a single filament. If it is a dioecious, then both are formed on separate filament. these antheridia are also haploid. This oogonia is also haploid. Then this antheridia will form antherozoids, motile sperms. Oogonia will form egg. Then this antherozoid will reach to egg. Then fertilization will occur and zygote will form. So zygote, this oogonia is also, egg is also haploid. This antherozoid is also haploid. And after fertilization, zygote is formed. Zygote is a diploid structure. Then zygote immediately forms 4 cells, that is called meiospores by meiosis. So here zygotic meiosis will occur. So by this zygotic meiosis, meiospore are formed. These meiospore are haploid. They will germinate and form plant body, and plant body we know that it is haploid. So in this whole cycle, all the events that are occurring except zygote, except this, all the bodies that are formed, all the structures that are formed, all structures are diploid. Sorry, haploid, not diploid. Haploid. Only zygote is diploid. So in this life cycle, haploid phase is dominant. So, and diploid phase is represented by only zygote. So this type of life cycle is called haplontic life cycle. This is life cycle of Macrandrous species of Oedogonium.